Good afternoon.
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс economic news channel with us, Marina Generalova
and Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What is the news from the currency markets?
Well, the Russian ruble has touched the new lows against its US counterpart.
And what sparked the bearish mood?
The downtrend was boosted by the OPEC meeting results. Russian national currency fell to the all-time low against the US dollar on Friday. All other currencies depending on the oil prices were also under pressure following the OPEC statements. Thus, the Russian ruble ended Friday at 50.2725 per US dollar, hitting the fresh history low. Compared to the closing level notched last week at 45.7232, the ruble slumped almost 4 rubles 55 kopecks. Meanwhile, the Central Bank of Russia said it is going to limit the currency swap operations in the upcoming 2 weeks to withstand the mass sales of the Russian ruble triggered by investors' panic. Besides, the Canadian dollar, one of the commodity currencies, was also dominated by the bears. The statistical reports weighed on the loonie as well. In particular, Canada's annual GDP growth clocked in at 2.8% in the third quarter, compared to the expectations for a 2.1% increase. Over the month, GDP went up by 0.4% in September, matching the forecasts. The Canadian dollar finished Friday at 1.1417, while the last Friday's close was at 1.1232. Hence, the loonie managed to gain 185 points over the week, despite that it fell by 0.7% on Friday against the greenback. The euro grew by 61 points on the week against its US peer, finishing at 1.2451. The yen dropped to 118.6350 against the US dollar, losing 80 cents. This is all about the currency quotes for now.
Thank you for the review of the currency market, Anna.
You're welcome. What about the mood of the commodity markets?
Both oil and gold lost in prices.
And what pushed the quotes down?
The oil futures ended Friday at a 5-year low after the OPEC decided to maintain oil production at present levels, which means that the worries about the oil market glut will persist. WTI futures for January delivery fell 10% to $66.50 a barrel. It was the most significant decline since September 25, 2009. Over the month, the futures contract slumped 18%. On the week, the contracts deteriorated by almost 14%. Brent January futures lost 3.4% to $70.15 per barrel, the lowest closing since May 25, 2010. The Brent was shed by more than 6% on Thursday, as the US market was closed for the Thanksgiving Day. The monthly decline totaled 18%. Meanwhile, gold price fell on Friday ahead of the Swiss gold referendum that took place on Sunday. Gold futures for December delivery fell $21.40 or 1.8% to $1,175.20 an ounce. All commodity assets were under pressure on Friday due to the collapse on oil prices to 5-year lows after OPEC decided to maintain production volumes.
Marina, many thanks for the commodity market review.
You're welcome, Anna.
You have watched ИнстаФорекс weekly review of the currency and commodity markets with Marina Generalova
and Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you later.